Hello guys, today I want to show you how you can create an outline image just like this. And when you have images like this, it helps your YouTube channel or whatever image you want to create to kind of stand out. And when it comes to YouTube especially, it is the click-through rate that determines how people are going to view your video. So for example, now if your thumbnail is catchy, it will make the people click on it, and that way you can get more views, and more views translates to more money. So I'm going to show you how to do exactly this. All right, so let me just quickly duplicate this. For example, you see I use it here as well in this video. This is a thumbnail that I created, and this is something that if you check most YouTube channels, they will have thumbnails that have outlines like this. So let's bring this here. So the original image that I use, I'm just gonna get the image right now. Right, so this is the image that I used originally. As you can see, it has things in the background. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to remove the background of this image. If you don't have a background remover, I would suggest that you get Canva Pro. Okay, Canva Pro can help you remove background. Okay, and if you check the link in my description, you're going to see where you can get Canva Pro for 30 days for free. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'll click on this image, okay, and I'll go to edit image, and then once I click on edit image, I'll come to background remover, and you can see instantly the background is removed. So what I want to do is I can decide to maybe make this smaller, all right, and just bring this a little bit closer, and then I can make it bigger so that you can see it, right? So one thing you can do with Canva is that you can also adjust the image. For example, the temperature of the image, all right, or you can increase the tint of the image, you can increase the brightness. As you can see now, it's now becoming brighter, all right, and you can increase the contrast if you like, but I think it's good this way. So let's just leave it the way it is right now. And what we want to do is we want to make it similar to this one that has this outline, all right. And the way to do it is simple. If you have Canva Pro, okay, Canva is such an outstanding tool that I recommend to everyone. Okay, so what you want to do next is you click on this image. Once you click on the image, then go to edit image, and then once again you go to shadows. All right, so once you click on shadow, you can see different ways to apply shadows to your image. So but this one, we want to use this outline. All right, click on it, and you can see the outline is now black. This black doesn't really make sense. Most people would use white. So what you want to do is come here to colors, and then click on colors, and then go to white. Now it is on white, and you can also adjust the size of the outline. For instance, if you come here and increase it, you see it's been increased. I think most people will use this around this area. Some people will use these, it depends on the design that you want to do. So, and you can increase the intensity here, right, and you can reduce the intensity. I prefer to have it at 100 so that everything will be white. So but it depends on you as well. Now there's something amazing that I can also do with this. If sometimes you see that the outlines, some of the time you see that the outline one is another color, and the other side is another color. So this is the way to achieve it. So I'm going to delete this one for now. All right, then I'll bring this one to the middle. All right, so now what you want to do is, you see the way it is right now. So let's assume you want to make it bigger. So let's bring it this way. Okay, so what you want to do right now, if you want to make it, if you want to use two colors, is you duplicate it, copy and paste. All right, so what I did is I just clicked Command C and Command V on my MacBook. If you're using a Windows laptop, you most likely use Control C and Control V. All right, so what you want to do next is make sure they are aligned together. All right, once they are aligned together, you see the one at the top or even at the one at the back, whichever one you choose. Now go to edit, all right, and then go to outline again, all right, and then go to colors and change it to another color. So for example, let's say you want to change it to something bluish. All right, I'm not really good with colors, but let's see. If you go to, so you click here, so let's say you want to use this particular color, okay? Or if you want, you could actually just come to your browser and search for blue color code, or whichever color you want to use. So let's say this is the one that I want to use. Come back here and paste it here. Right, so this is blue. Now I'm sure that that is blue. So what you want to do is, drag this to the side. All right. Guys, I know you love this. Wow, isn't this beautiful? You can decide to group it. So if you just highlight both and then click on Ctrl G or click on group. So once you group it, everything has become one. You can move it around the way you like. So this is very, very nice. All right, so you can decide to now edit it the way you want to do, and possibly maybe add pictures, add text, and make your design perfect. I hope you got value from this. Like this video so that other people can see it, and subscribe to this channel. Turn up notification so that anytime I post videos like this, you'll be the first to know about it. Talk to you later.